everybody, welcome to Boom City Breaks on Friday, July the 7th. Tonight we are breaking Gold Rush autograph baseball jerseys. This here is a 2-box break. We did random team sales. You can see on the far right, we have already randomized customers and teams. We then alphabetized all the customers so they could see who they had a bit easier. Gave them a whole bunch of time to trade. Here we go. Pop this baby. Come on, Gold Rush. Well, think y'all saw that was a baby blue jersey. Let me see who that is, folks. Is that going to be the Tim Raines, folks? That is going to be the Expos Tim Raines. Washington hit, folks. That there is a Washington hit as the Nationals, the Expos became the Nationals. Gotta grab a bag real quick, guys. Just again, some bags to put that baby in. Yeah, it's a very cool jersey, but I like that one a lot. I like that. We actually pulled this and DeAndre Dawson, man. What a great team that was with both of those guys, man. So, who has the Nationals? I don't know if Lawman actually did pull off that trade or not, did he? Somebody was trying to trade him. It is a Dirty Cox. Dirty Cox is going to take home the nice, very cool Tim Raines. I said he ended up coming to play on the south side for the Sox, and then Andre Dawson finished his career as a Cub. Very, very, very long career as a Cub there. Here we go. Pop of your deal. So box 2. Well, that there is going to be a Detroit Tiger hit in the Kaline. Another great historical player. Oh, there you go, guys. It's a stat one, man. There you go. I don't think I've ever pulled the Kaline stat before. Very, very, very nice looking jersey. There you go, folks. But that is going to be a Detroit Tiger hit. Again, Mr. Tiger Kaline. Who has Detroit? Who has Detroit? Raw talent, bud. There you go. Alright, that is going to wrap up that 2-boxer. Y'all want to break memorabilia, you got to stop on by Breakers.tv. Exactly, JoJo. You will find me, the Great Gatsby, Government Cheese, baking all forms of memorabilia starting about 8 p.m. Central. We go until the room clears out 7 nights a week. Boom City Breaks. Thank you.